5 copywriting tricks for beginner. Writing is the single high income skills you can use your earning path without opening your mouth. Mind it, nothing will remove the human connection. So you can build connection through your writing. Today I wanna share you 5 tactics you can use your writing. Number 1, use proper hooks as a headline. When you use as a proper hook your headline, people engage your writing. By this way you can grow your audience. Number 2, put on your 80% time on research the content and 20% time to write the content. Number 3, when you start fast, makes the content at less like paragraph or letter type, and after increasing your craft you can use or you can make your content more bigger. Number 4, provide the why. When people buy from you, how will be they benefit from your products and services? So clarify the why. Number 5, today we live in the civilization where skepticism is skyrocketing. So remove the skepticism and blindness. Mind it, copywriting is the single high income skills. This is a replaceable skills and less competition. Build your craft as a writer, as a more earner, right?